Hey there, my name is Eliina and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this short video, I want to go over how to set an expiration date for a gallery you've already uploaded to your account. You'll see I already have a gallery selected. Let's go ahead and click on the Settings tab. Now let's go down to Expiration. You'll see this gallery is listed as active, meaning it's live and visible. Here we can set an expiration date, but this is not mandatory and is completely optional. If I choose March 11th, 2023, this means that on this date, the gallery will become inactive. I can also choose to make this inactive now. This means it will no longer be live or visible to my clients and visitors. You'll see the share button has been grayed out. For now, I'm going to set this back to active. You'll see here that when a gallery has been chosen to select from inactive to back to active, the expiration date will have cleared out and you'll need to re-add it as needed. That's it for this short video on how to set an expiration date for your galleries. Please reach out if you have questions on this or anything else.